IoT and associate technologies. So we can link IoT with different technologies like cloud computing, 5G, big data, and artificial intelligence. So cloud computing actually is the delivery of different services through the internet, like data storage, servers, databases, networking, and software. While 5G is the fifth generation of cellular networks, which is 100 times faster than 4G, and creating new opportunities for people and businesses. Big data actually is the deal with large sum of data to analyze large sum of data to extract meaningful information, which is otherwise not possible with their traditional or existing data processing software. Artificial intelligence is actually intelligence demonstrated by machines as opposed to the natural intelligence displayed by human or animals. So what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the intelligence demonstrated by machine. Why AI leverages machines to mimic those problem solving and decision making capabilities of the human mind. So if you could see these infographics. So on the right there is a machine based on AI or machine learning which classify objects like into cat or dog. So there are some pictures given to this device, and this device actually classified this into cat, either it is a cat or either it is a dog. On the left side, we can see that there is a robot which actually classify different pattern from triangle, rectangle, or circle. So this is an example of AI with some infographics. So the convergence of AI and IoT. So AI plus IoT actually gives superpowers of innovation. As we see that IoT devices use the internet to communicate, collect, and exchange information about our online activities. So in a report, it is said that every day they generate 1 billion GB of data. That's where artificial intelligence steps in, and the information is needed to be provided by the artificial intelligence, and it lending its learning capabilities to the connectivity of the Internet of Things. So the untapped potential of AI in IoT, if we compare today with different categories with tomorrow, like for example, edge computing, which provide today, it provides smart thermostats, smart appliances. So tomorrow it will provide home robots, autonomous vehicles, and like voice AI. So today it provides smart speaker, and tomorrow it will provide natural language processing, e-payment, voice authentication. And then vision AI, massive object detection. Like today it's provide massive object detection, tomorrow it will provide video analytics on the edge, super 8K resolution. So AI and IoT implementation. So it actually it provides ambient intelligence where of mesh networks, information flow, and decisions stay local, and it provides IoT analytics like big data, use case scenario. So it consists of basically IoT analytics, different interfaces, cloud decision engine, and then action based on the data. So if you could see this figure, there is IoT-based system where data is processing, and then information is on the already information stored in a big data storage, and the information store are then being analyzed, and some advanced analytic is generated, and based on the data, predictive analytic is also provided, which based on this decision would be taken, keeping the perspective of future. AIoT network system examples, how AIoT system works. So actually systems are connected through internet, and data is saved in a cloud server. And the data which is being generated or processed, that is analyzed, and some information is extracted from these data. So for example, there is sensor on a truck which contains some kind of Raspberry Pi, and which generates some data, and that is shared in a cloud server with internet, and the data is being analyzed and shown on admin dashboard. And here in this example, data is generated through drones and various sensors, and a user can see the analytics on the screen in the fact.